We got decent amount of rime on the wing. I just hope the engine de-ice is working. Alright, we gotta escape the ice, bud.
Is it picking up?
Yeah, it's picking up. We're on the tops, I think, though, because I can see the sun real good. What's your attitude?
Yeah, just a slight left.
Is it pointing up?
Yeah. Right into the sun, that'll be great.
Well, that's our first IMC and icing experience in the airplane.
IMC, icing, spatial disorientation. Checking out the boxes today.
Check, check. I got you. Or, well, I got me. Can you hear me?
No, I cannot.
Is the mic plugged into the, like...
Pairing enabled.
I heard something there. I hear noise. That's doing something. I heard something there. I heard a click. I heard a loud noise there.
Worked fine for me.
1 2 1 2 1 2. Check check.
Nada.
Hello hello.
Yeah, I'm getting yours to work now.
Hi gentlemen.
How's it going?
We're holding off on parking an aircraft so I can cut out the jet route.
Yeah. He's learning how to talk on the radio.
Go ahead, park them.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. Hey, we got it.
Got it?
The quick disconnect. I took it apart and put it back together.
Yeah, okay. Canopy? Got it? Okay. Canopy's locked. What?
No. Open the canopy.
What's up? What? Close it?
Yeah.
What? What's... Okay, so close the canopy or what? You want me to start the engine? Okay, flaps check, speed brakes check, flaps set to takeoff. On, everything's looking just fine indeed. Okay, you ready to taxi? Go this way to Alpha.
What? This has been a fun
Departures 2000, correction 1300 and 655, clear for takeoff. Number 655, you're clear for takeoff. Number 38655, clear for takeoff. L-39, that traffic in position says they can catch it, runway 27, you're clear for takeoff for the L-39 only.
I would definitely run it up.
Yeah.
L-39 needs to get going, got traffic behind you.
Yeah, for a hold area.
Too bad, buddy.
L-39, go ahead and roll for me. For holding area, roger, get that right back to you. 0 Bravo Delta, runway 270, clear for takeoff. At or below 1,300 feet on the go, please. Got traffic left to right at 1,800 feet over the track.
Clear to go, which word? 0 Bravo Delta. 70.
80.
90.
100.
100. Cross check.
Plenty of runway.
Oh, look at all that runway we had to spare.
Like 1,500 feet.
Yeah, it's great. As long as we only wanted to go over the berm.
That's all we need to do. Okay, there's like 140.
Bravo Delta, flight 290 and contact departure.
Now we're staying at or below 1,300. Now we're out of the Delta.
Thanks for coming to Oshkosh. It's great having you here. We hope you'll be back next year.
Okay, there's 250 knots. There's the Delta. Bring the power back to 103. We're going to say goodbye to Oshkosh and call Minneapolis Center.
139 Lima, cleared to the Aberdeen Airport by direct, climb maintain level 230.
Aberdeen via direct, flight level 230, 139 Lima.
139 Lima, CL2 leaving.
Yeah, we're out of 1,800 for 139 Lima.
Roger.
What's the Aberdeen's airport identifier?
Alpha Bravo Romeo.
Perfect, thank you.
That trim is so touchy.
Oh, I know.
Nor 139 Lima. I'm maintain flight level 280.
Flight level 280, 139 Lima. Going all the way up today.
Send it.
And center, November 139 Lima is leaving 280 for 240.
Roger.
Minneapolis Center, experimental jet 139 Lima at a 250, discretion to 24, and we have the weather plan of the visual.
November 139 Lima, Minneapolis Center, good afternoon. Descend pilot, discretion, maintain 5,000, the Aberdeen altimeter 3015.
3015, discretion to 5,000, and I got a question for you.
Go ahead.
Yeah, just out of curiosity, do you guys happen to have altimeter settings in millibars instead of inches? Is that something you guys have handy?
That doesn't come up on my weather report. Probably track it down.
Okay, I was just curious.
November 39 Lima Center.
Go ahead.
November 39 Lima, the soup found it for you in millibars at Aberdeen. That's 1021.
Hey, perfect, thanks, I appreciate it. I was just curious if that's something you guys have on hand. We're just always converting it.
Yeah, he had to, I think he had to use Google to find it.
That's awesome.
Aberdeen Regional Airport, Aberdeen, South Dakota.
We'll try.
Don't forget to pressurize the cockpit back seat, boy.
Oh, is that my job now?
Seems like the guy in the front can't seem to remember it.
I did it today.
Did you?
I had my hand on it when we were holding short of the runway.
Nice. I wouldn't even do it until we're on the freaking runway.
That's why I had my hand on it.
Aberdeen traffic, experimental jet 139 Lima's on the Delta taxiway for runway 13. We got the short panel traffic in sight.
Aberdeen traffic, citation 97, Tango Echo is final, runway 13, Aberdeen.
I'm just gonna go take position.
Yeah, it looks like he's clearing.
Aberdeen traffic, experimental jet 139 Lima's departing runway 13, Aberdeen. Let's get out of here. $5,000 feet. Let's see where we get off at. It's kind of a hot day.
Yep.
Can we just take a bird strike?
I don't think so. Yeah. 90.
Rotate.
100 knots, yeah. So we're off and clear by Delta 2. I'd say pitch up like 160 and let's point this thing towards Cheyenne before we run out of gas. Minneapolis Center, experimental jet 139 Lima. Are you sure
Experimental 139 Lima, go ahead.
Direct track 225.
Right, so I think that's about 45 degrees left, right? You're flying the airplane?
Yep, 45 left.
Experimental 139 Lima, Minneapolis Center, go ahead.
Yeah, November 139 Lima. We're just off Aberdeen looking for an IFR to Cheyenne.
Number 139 Lima, roger, cleared from the Aberdeen Airport to Victor Echo Lima Airport via direct climb and maintain flight level 230, block 3662.
Okay, and just confirm that's to the Charlie Yankee Sierra Airport. We got a couple of those on file.
November 139 Lima, roger, I'll make that switch clear direct to Cheyenne Airport via direct climb and maintain flight level 230 and squawk 3662.
3662, clear direct Cheyenne 230, 139 Lima.
Number 139 Lima, read back is correct, radar contact 10 miles northwest Aberdeen Airport, stay altitude in.
Nine.
Yeah, we're out of 900,000 for flight level 230, 139 Lima.
You want to grab the weather? At the destination?
Yeah, wind's wind's about a direct crosswind at 14 gust 20.
Awesome.
If you want, we can divert to
okay, direct
Bravo Foxtrot.
And then you said the flight E3.
It's basically the same fuel price.
Alright,
long runway at 4,000 MSL, and the runway's more into the wind. The wind's calmer.
34.57. 3457.
Only a 4-knot crosswind.
Valley Airways.
That's Scotts Bluff.
Yes, sir.
I'm thinking we might as well just go to Scotts Bluff.
Cheaper fuel. 15 minutes difference. Send it.
Yeah, okay, I'll tell center. Yeah, Center November 139 Lima is back with you and we have a request.
Last call, say again?
Yeah, November 139 Lima is back with you and we'd like to change our destination to Bravo Foxtrot.
139 Lima, roger, you cleared to Scotts Bluff via direct. Send a pilot discretion, maintain flight level 270.
Okay, Scotts Bluff via direct discretion to 270, 139 Lima.
139 Lima, what is the reason for the change?
Weather.
139 Lima, contact number center on 133.67.
You're on.
139 Lima, number center, 7K over 260.
260, 139 Lima. Any chance we can stay 280 just a little longer?
That's for weather?
For fuel.
Yeah, for fuel.
39 Lima, roger, 7K over 270. Or what are you holding at 28?
Yeah, if we could stay at 28 for now, we were 280, I guess we had discretion to 270, but if we could stay at 28 for just a little bit longer, that'd be great.
Air 139 Lima, yep, that is approved. Send a positive discretion then to 10,000, South altimeter 3007.
3007, discretion to 10,000, 139 Lima, thank you.
I'm climbing quite a lot.
Yep, about 150 feet high.
Can we start our discretion?
Yeah, we can if you want. Either way.
I haven't flown IMC on steam gauges in a while. It's not too bad once we get out of the bumps.
Yeah.
Ooh, what's going on here?
What do you mean?
You have the aircraft.
Okay, I have the airplane.
I have this. I'm getting disoriented.
Okay, we can start down if you want.
It's okay. I'm just having a hard time with that attitude indicator.
0004.
We're positive ice. We should probably get out of it.
Okay, we'll start down.
I gotta get used to that attitude indicator, man.
How am I doing on course? I think I turned just
You're
a little
good.
bit
Just
left.
stay.
Or right here.
Stay at 220.
Okay. The attitude indicator I feel like is just a little twitchy around wings level.
Yeah. See, like right now you're in a turn.
Right.
We're back direct NC.
Get back to that 220. Yeah, it's like a little twitchy there, right around there.
I was chasing it and I got distracted.
Yeah. So now we're going just a touch right.
I'm not a big fan of that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're positive ice. We got decent amount of rime on the wing.
Can I go faster?
I don't know what the fuck we want to do.
All good.
I just hope the engine de-ice is working.
Skywest 3301, contact Solar Center 133.25.
At 3325, Skywest 3301.
Delta 1187, when does the local you turn back on course?
Right aboard Delta, standby.
Then Delta 1187, clear to Gusto when able.
I think that rudder trim issue doesn't really help. Because you're like,
we're actually now direct boost Delta
I don't know, you know, the ball plus the wings is just...
Alright, we gotta escape the ice, bud.
Is it picking up?
Yeah, it's picking up. We're on the tops, I think, though, because I can see the sun real good. What's your attitude?
Yeah, just a slight left turn.
Okay, we're coming out the bottom. We're good now. But look at that wing.
Yeah.
44 Papa Foxtrot. There's one aircraft on approach right now.
What's our
Another
ETA?
aircraft's going to get there before you. So
17 minutes.
as much as you want. You're going to be
Look at that ice.
basically third in line right now.
You gonna set that on that other CDI?
Yeah, I'm getting the de-ice systems
Okay,
on.
just be advised, these are jets coming in. They're diverting from Denver, so they're pretty fast.
Well, that's our first IMC and icing experience in the airplane.
IMC, icing, spatial disorientation. Checking out the boxes today.
Well, I just got, its attitude indicator just is different.
No, it is. And I think, like, you see what I mean here? Like, let me take it for a second.
You got it.
Okay,
it's like, right,
oh yeah, so twitchy.
It's just twitchy. It's like once you kind of get into a turn there, then it's fine.
Yeah.
But it's like, it's just a little twitchy.
Yeah, no, you're right.
That makes it a little difficult
well,
to just... And I mean, it's subtle. It's just, it's just a little bit of turn in there. But it's certainly there. You have the airplane.
I have the airplane. I think the big thing is distracting me from the rest of my scan.
Right.
Because I was trying to fix it, and it was like not getting better.
Yeah. Looks like all the ice is gone.
Yeah, that came on quick though.
Yeah.
So we're coming through 19,000 feet. We have 9 minutes to go. There's a lot of airplanes going in and out of there. Are these guys all diverting because of Denver?
I don't think they would be going there, but possibly.
Or are these,
well,
let's see, SkyWest is going in there, that's it.
Yeah.
And JetBlue's above.
Yeah, no, I don't think so. There's, some little airplane doing 94 knots that might be going in there, but it's them and SkyWest.
And Scouts left, experimental jet, short final 1-2, Scouts left. FYI, we touched down about 100 knots. I just think that's an interesting speed to note.
Okay, so we just finished the second leg of our journey home from Oshkosh. These kind of hour-and-a-half, 2-hour legs are really about the limit of the endurance in the L-39. And it's just a lot of work flying this thing up in the flight levels, no autopilot, a pretty unstable platform. We'll head over to Salt Lake. My buddy John should have the Bonanza there shortly. I'll fly that home tonight, and then Matt will fly the L-39 up tomorrow.